Here's how you set the look of each of these articles or elements on a web page. Notice here on the home page we are logged in, and you can see the different sections here. Actually, no, we're not logged in on this screen. There is no border around this article. There is a banner across the top, a header, and down here on this article it's all in dark blue, so it's reversed out. Each of these articles or elements are actually called modules, and all three of these modules are the same kind of modules. They're text modules. There's other kinds, but we usually just use text modules. And the look of the modules is set in the settings. This particular one has no look to the module. The container that the module is in is blank. This container that this module is in has one solid bar across the top but nothing below it. This container has a solid all the way through, so it's reversed out. All the text that's typed in the field is reversed out from this background. So that's how that works. If you have, let's go to another page here, and we'll jump to the About Us. This particular look, which is also on a number of the 2009 season looks, these are the same. This is a different kind of a banner. It's got it's encircled with a border, and then it's got a solid blue across the top here for where the title of the module goes. And let's actually set these. I'm going to jump to a different window where I've got my settings and see how to set it. This particular one has none specified, so you set it in the settings field. Go to settings, click, and now you scroll down. The title of this particular module doesn't really have, its title is Other Stories, but it doesn't show up because there's no container specified. The container is down here under Page Settings, so click and scroll down and you'll see the container. Display the container, yes, you want that. The module container, it says not specified. That means there is no container. It's using the container that is the default container, which is no look at all. So that's where you would change it, and you would change it to one of a number of predefined containers. In our case, we're going to leave it alone, and we're going to go look at what the other ones are set as. To get to the other ones, I could go to the bottom of the page and cancel, or I could just move on to the home page again. So I'm going to click on the home page, and I'm going to look at this guy here. So I do the same thing. I drop down, I see settings. I'm going to click on settings. Before I do, note the title of this module is called Tickets Now on Sale. It's in that bar up there. So now we click on settings, and we scroll down, and we notice the title of this module is Tickets Now on Sale. That is what shows up. Jump to the home page again over here in this window. That is what shows up in the container top. The title of the module shows up there. Obviously, the same goes here. The title of this container must be The Price of Excitement. So we're going to go back and look at the settings for this guy. The title is Now on Sale. We go to the page settings, scroll down, and we see that the module container is this cryptic name, S9 dark blue. So a couple of things you just need to either remember or go to the settings of a module that you like and see which one they're using. So this one is S9 dark blue. So S9 dark blue is this single bar across the top. The reverse one is the S6 module. You don't have to remember that again. You can always go here to settings, and you could look up what the container is, and it's the S6 container. This one again, not specified. And this container here, that container is called the S2. So you'll be using the S2 quite a bit for these looks. And then if you want to reverse something out, you can use the S6. So those are containers. Containers contain a module, and a module is what's dropped onto the page. In this case, there is one module in the content pane, and that module's title is About Summer Place Theater. So that's how that works.